is going on with this? Ugh. Anyway, so on to this video. Having time to cook for paleo for me is like really, really hard. Yes, I work from home, but I work split shifts sometimes throughout the day. So it's really, really hard to get enough of a, you know, like a clump of time to get in there and spend cooking. And I don't like to cook at 8 o'clock at night. And a lot of times that's when my shift ends. Anyway, so I use a lot of like really, really quick, you know, go-to meals that are paleo. And while this might be something, you know, that you guys always think of, you know, somebody might not even think about it. And it's really simple and it's really fast, and you can like put it on the stove and let it sit and simmer for a little while. So it's one of those good, you know, backup plans if you don't feel bad. That's my ringtone. Not sure why it's going off. Sorry, guys. Staying alive. Oh, weather alert. Let's see. Dense fog. What else is new? Dense fog. You're gonna text me at 6:19 in the morning for dense fog as a weather alert. All right. I promise I won't go out there in the dense fog, guys. Anyway, so yeah, back to it. This is a it's like just a really, you know, quick too. Some people have already thought about it. Some people, you know, are just looking for that quick thing and it doesn't even come, you know, to the top of their mind. So it's just sausage, peppers, onions. That's it. And it's filling. It's good. It stores well. And it's fast. So a lot of you are saying, yeah, I heard that one already. And I'm, you know, yeah, maybe you have. But when I was first starting out and I was asking my sister, you know, what's something I can make just really, really quick? You know, I don't feel like spending 3 hours in the kitchen today. She's like, sausage, peppers, onions. And I'm saying to myself, I never even thought about that. Never even thought about that as like a quick meal, you know? So maybe there's some of you that haven't really thought about that as a quick meal. Anyway, so I'm going to put the recipe below, put the, you know, the links for the food below, and I'm going to do pictures. So here we go. Ready? Okay. So you just cut up the sausage. Hard, right? I know. I don't even know why I said that. Anyway, just cut up your sausage. I usually take it out of the casing. I don't like the casing around my sausage. So I take it out of the casing. I put it in a wok. It's my favorite thing because it's big and it doesn't like splatter all over my stove. So I put the sausage in the wok, and then I take my fresh veggies, red pepper, bell pepper, or bell pepper. I don't know. Is that the same thing? I don't even know. Peppers, different colored peppers, and onions. I slice them, and then once the sausage is cooked and browned, with a little bit of olive oil in there, I put the fresh vegetables in the pan. Cook it together, let it simmer for a while. Make sure your sausage is cooked thoroughly. There's nothing worse than like raw sausage. And that's it. That you have your meal. It's like right there. 2 steps. Voila! You're done. Done. And you get to eat. It's good stuff. So here's your done. All done. Doesn't it look good? It was good. It was really good. I had it yesterday. So anyway, that was just a quick meal for you guys who are just like really trying to think of something that you can make quickly and it's not coming to the top of your head. Hope you enjoy it. If you haven't had it before, if you have, I hope I reminded you that it's out there and available for paleo. And like, subscribe, share, please. Thanks, guys. I hope you have a good day. Bye.